Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. For those of you who are visiting this channel for the first time, you are here to find solutions to day-to-day issues. The solutions are based on astrology. Today is 15th May 2020. This date definitely has started trending on all social medias for one reason. That is nothing but happy birthday Madhuri Dixit. Today we are going to see astrological significance, astrological reasons behind Madhuri Dixit's success, and we are going to see what she is going to give us in future in terms of her movies, web series, different or shows that she is judging. If you haven't heard of that name, go ahead and Google it. The search volume is good enough to tell you that you should know more about this person. Well, Madhuri Dixit is a name who was known to every household in the 90s. She was the dancing diva of 1990s. If you were in high school or college in 90s, you have at least seen one movie of hers. Everybody who got married in late 90s and early 2000 wanted to mimic everything she did in her movie Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Let us take a look at her D1 chart and see the position of planets, her nakshatras, and then we're going to map her career in Bollywood with the astrological time frames. Horoscope and the birth details from the internet data. Her D1 chart has Ketu in the Lagna, Rahu in the 7th house, Jupiter and Moon in the 10th house, Sun and Mercury in the 8th house, 10th house, Mars in the 12th, Sun Mercury in 8th. Here is a list of her Bollywood movies that were hit from 1988 to 2004. Prominent nakshatras from her horoscope are Vishakha, Kritika, Pushya. The favorable astrology yoga are Hamsa Yoga, Nipuna Yoga, Mridanga Yoga, Rajlakshmi Yoga. Let us map the astrology time frame with the songs and the movies that she was featured in. Her Lagna, her Arudha Lagna, everything denotes successful career. She had most of her hits and prime career in the Mercury Mahadasha and Ketu Mahadasha. Popular movies names and character names, if we see the summary. 4 movies her name was Madhu. In 3 movies she played character which was named Mohini, Pooja and Radha. In 2 movies each her name was Shweta, Sonia, Kavita, Sangeeta, Gauri and Chanda, and she did 1 movie each where her character name was Anita, Anju, Anjali, Apurva, Neha and Nisha. She had most of her hits and prime career in the Mercury of the movies, and the colors she wore, her character names, everything is in line with the nakshatra themes, the Mahadasha planet themes and the horoscope she has. If you look at the songs that made her famous, they are Ek Do Teen, that showed the new face of Madhuri Dixit to the world, which is Kritika Nakshatra, which is nothing but star of fire. Same way we can take a look at her other songs like Dhak Dhak, then Mera Piya Ghar Aaya, and you can see the whole list and see how nakshatra theme unfolds. Madhuri Dixit is currently running the Mahadasha of Venus, and The next Mahadasha will be Mahadasha of Sun. When she started the Venus Mahadasha, she started judging the various shows on television. There were some cooking shows, there were some dance shows, music shows. She will continue to judge these shows. She will get success in coaching and her dance academy. She may also do dark comedy, some thrillers as web series in coming years. Her characters can be associated with professions like detectives, police, cops, military personnel, boundary protection, and homeland security. Her jewelry can again set the new trend. She may visit volcanic lands, military bases, rehabilitation centers, and forests as a part of needed travel. Fire, knives, furnaces, mining, universities may become important features of her life on screen. She can also do a role of a spiritual healer. So, the roles that she has been always doing, a lover, somebody who is longing for love, role of a courtesan, mistress, all these roles may come up depending on Antardasha of the planet going on. However, her focus will be more on the artistic side, judging the show's side, and doing something that is different from she has done before. But she stands the chance of achieving the same glory that she did in her Mercury Mahadasha. So if you are a fan of Madhuri Dixit, you have so many things to look forward to. People like Madhuri Dixit have a lot of potential to heal masses. Give them support in their difficult times with their profession and non-profit endeavors. Movies, songs, dance numbers, they give company to lonely people. And hence all the people who are prominent faces of movie industry in a way serve the masses. In addition, the film industry provides employment to so many other professions. Kritika, Purvashada, Magha, Ashwini, and Pushya are dominant nakshatras in film stars. Wishing the dancing diva of 90s Bollywood iconic actress turned producer a very happy birthday and wishing her many more successful years. Thank you. If you want to know more about your horoscope, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Please like, comment, and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel. In the description, I'm going to give links about super hit songs and movies of Madhuri Dixit. If you have some time, take a look at them. Shubham Bhavatu. Thank you.